Good morning, everybody. I got an Amazon package in the mail, which made me really excited. Got me a new stainless steel trash can. And my mom and dad have one, and I really like theirs. And I think that my mom's might be a little hair bigger. You can hear him coughing in there. Anyways, my can is the same size as this one, except for the lid is real big. Now, you're probably like, why in the world did you buy a new trash can? Well, every time I go to throw something away, I have to hold this open while I use it. And when people come over and scrape their plates off, the food would get all over the top of this, and I would have to clean it every time. What was that?
What was that?
I have no idea.
It was in the kitchen.
I'm in the kitchen.
I heard a pot.
Anyhow, I had to investigate the noise. I think I just had some plates slide. I have one cabinet down here that I keep baking stuff in, and definitely need to clean it out at some point in time. It's really a mess. But anyhow, always had to clean this. This one here, you just use your foot, and it opens, and you keep your foot on it until you're done using it. Then when you release, it shuts automatically. Which, to the girl who has been cleaning this all the time, this is a big deal. So really thankful that I got my new trash can. It took no time to even get it in. It's probably a little more than I wanted to spend, but definitely going to be worth, in the long run, going to be worth every penny. Hello, everybody. It's the first time you're seeing me. I look atrocious, but that's okay. So we had a wonderful lunch. We ate early because today is broadcast day for Ronnie, but he's not actually going to do it. I'm actually going to do the whole thing myself. So I've been sitting here working on my notes for that tonight and having me a cup of coffee because I am freezing to death. Today's actually a warmer day than usual, but I am so cold. But it's probably because I just ate, and when I eat, you know how you get cold? I don't know, am I the only one? But anyhow, I have to get ready for tonight, and so I've been working on my scripture text, and I've also need to clean up after supper, and I need to find my husband because he got a couple phone calls a few minutes ago, and I didn't even realize it. But anyways, hopefully my voice holds up for tonight because it is not happy today. It's very, very tired. But I'm not sick. Like, I don't feel bad. I just have this, and it's just terrible. It's the same thing that I was going through at Christmas time. And I hope that we're just not ping-ponging it back and forth to each other, if you know what I mean. So I'm probably going to drink some vitamin C here in a little bit. And maybe make myself a big cup of hot tea. Try to get this settled. And yeah, so that's about all that's going on today. This might be a short vlog today. Yesterday, I got caught up on pretty much everything. I still have work upstairs to do. But because I sounded like this, I was really just trying to rest today and just take it easy just a little bit because tomorrow and the next day we have plans. So we will see. We'll see how all that pans out. But this weather is so crazy. You know, tomorrow it is supposed to be like, I think 54 degrees. It's been in the teens and the 20s. And tomorrow it's going to be 54 degrees. Now, you want to talk about crazy pants weather. That's crazy. It's crazy. But, yeah, so we're doing fine other than just this sinus thing going on. It's more of a nuisance than me feeling bad. It's just a nuisance. So, yesterday was very productive, as you guys watched. So, thank you so much for watching that video. If you missed, check it out. I do have a load of clothes in the dryer right now that I do need to fold. So, I am keeping up with things, just working very, very slowly because I had to sit down and work on tonight. I don't usually do the gospel broadcast solo, and well, I'm going to try it tonight. We'll see what happens. But I was thinking I might film over here in front of the fireplace for something different. Since it's just me. So we'll see what I'm going to do this evening. Hey guys, I'm checking in. Just got done doing the broadcast. So if you are one of my subscribers and you watch the Ron and Heidi's ministry page on Facebook, we go live every Monday at 7. I went solo tonight because my honey has had a really bad cold. And, well, my voice did hold out for the broadcast, which I was so happy that it did. I'm going to go upstairs, change out of this dress that I have on, that I wore for the broadcast, and go put my jeans back on and my t-shirt so I can come back downstairs and get to work and do what I need to do. I need to at least wash up the dishes tonight, but I don't want to. I'm cold. I really want to just sit and watch the Waltons and eat chocolate. How's that for honesty on a YouTube channel?